Hello, Teacher Roger here from Simply English Learning Center. Today we're going to talk about a verb that is often used incorrectly. It's the word or verb play. So let's talk about how we use play and what it means. So play, as you know, we often use it to play games. You play at recess. You play with toys. You basically use this word to talk about some action that's fun. Now, here is a very common way we say it. We play games. Makes sense. A lot of kids forget to add something when they add an object like this behind it. So games is okay because you made it plural, but that's what we usually say anyways, right? But if it's basically some sort of object or thing, we need to make sure we add the word with. We play with toys, we play with friends, we play with a pet or pets, and we play with the computer. This is a very common one. We play computer. Don't say we play computer or I play computer. What you can say is we play computer games. And so I underline computer because you could change this word to other names of other kinds of games you play. So the first one, the other example I have here is card games. Okay, well, we play card games like Uno. Sometimes we use play when we shouldn't. For example, we ride on rides or roller coasters at theme parks like Ocean Park and Disneyland. We ride on them. We don't play on the rides. Okay, we ride the rides. Okay? And then the last one is we play tricks on people. We don't play people. I hear that often as well. So try not to use play incorrectly now that you know how to use it. How to use it well now. All right. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment or anything. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.